This video will show you how to set timed cooking on your Smeg range cooker with manual controls. The timed cooking function allows you to program your oven to switch off after a specific length of time. Once you've selected your function and temperature, press the cooking duration key. The display will show these digits and the cooking duration symbol will show between the numbers. Use the increase and decrease keys to select the desired length of cook time. Wait 5 seconds for the program to activate. The A and the cooking duration symbol will show on the display to indicate that it has been set. At the end of cooking, the oven will switch off. On the display, the cooking duration symbol turns off, the A symbol flashes and the buzzer will sound. Press any key to deactivate the buzzer. Press the cooking duration key and the end of cooking duration key at the same time to reset the program and allow you to use the oven as normal. The Smeg range cookers offer style and performance. To see how they work, have a look at some of our other videos.